what up, yo? It's your boy Ty, and again, 365. Here, it's your boy Ty, 365. Again and again. Before we get started, you know the drill. Subscribe, hit me up with a thumbs up, and let's get to it. We got a special one right here. That's the PlayStation. It's the Partridge 2.5 PlayStation. This one is the blue colorways in the box. I got the Nike papers on the side. That's the blue colorways one. Start up here. They got like pink swoosh, pink, light blue speckles, light blue swoosh. PlayStation on the tongue. As you can see, it's right up and up. PG logo. And the other one, light up, turn it off. You can see the PlayStation symbols up here. All of the shoes on the heel. And we got Paul here, and George in the other one. The original one, the black one, my favorite. Has the barcode on the back of it. And these I think they're gonna have a white one about to release tomorrow, which is gonna be the January 5th. I think that's it, man. I think like they're gonna kill it. Like they do too much. The black one was alright, and they bring back the original blue. The original gray one, the OG. I think I would keep it that way, but now they're throwing the blue one and the white one. I think they're gonna kill it, man. Nike doing too much with this. Like every year, you just give us one model, it'll be better. But anyways, I got the whole set out. I have the blue one, which is this one, the gray one, and the black one. So I gotta get the white one. Get the whole set. This is a quick review. It's the same way as the gray and the black one. The only difference is the colorways is different. So that was my quick review to you guys. Don't forget to hit me with the thumbs up, right? Subscribe, and definitely follow me on every social media with TYGE or 365. Then I'm out.